regarding dito sa panawagan natin na lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. With the people for the truth, a reverberating call for accountability. As the Marcos Jr. administration faces growing public discontent and eroding trust, we affirm that the Filipino people must not be forced to choose between rival dynasties, those whose loyalties lie within their own fortified circles of power. In this time of distress, God calls our people to discernment, courage, and steadfastness. We believe that the Holy Spirit is steering communities to resist injustice and to stand for truth, solidarity, and liberation. This same Spirit continues to sustain the people's movement toward peace, grounded in justice. Therefore, as shepherds of the church, we call our congregations and members to prayerful vigilance and conscientious engagement. In the spirit of Ephesians chapter 5, verses 11 and 12, let us have nothing to do with the fruitless deeds of darkness, but rather expose them. The collective voice of the people has long been vessel through which God's justice enters our history. We encourage every member of the church to take part peacefully, lawfully, and deep spiritual discernment in public expression of conscience that uphold truth, demand integrity, and promote accountability, whether through advocacy, education, solidarity, or public witness. We urge the faithful to embody a courageous faith that seeks the common good and defends human dignity. Trusting in God's righteousness and holding fast to the hope of a renewed nation, we commit ourselves to walk with the people in their striving for justice. May our united witness become a sign of God's reign of shalom breaking forth in our beloved land. Thank you.